Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to move to Valorant to another directory without download. First, let's go to the search option and type run. In run, we have to type percent program data percent. Hit OK. After coming to program data, we have to find Riot Games. Here is Riot Games. Now we have to open to Riot Client installs.json. Here we can see the Valorant install directory. We have to copy it and paste it in the folder section. By hitting enter, we can find the Valorant directory. Now let's backtrack a bit. Move to Riot Games. Now we will cut this Valorant folder into another directory. So I've already made a folder in another directory. Now I'll just paste it. Now let's go inside Valorant. Before live, we have to click the link and copy. Now just paste it. Just make sure to change the slashes as it was like before. Now let's go to the search panel again, type in run, and again we have to write percent program data percent. Go to Riot Games, this time metadata, valorant.live and Valorant live product settings. Open it with a notepad. In here we have to paste the directory again. So I have to change the slashes like previous time as well, and paste this part just like I show you. And that's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.